What is a diversified portfolio?
Diversified portfolio means spreading investments across different assets, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, rather than putting all your money into one type. The idea is simple. By owning a variety of investments, you're less affected if one company or sector performs poorly. This approach helps to balance risk and potentially leads to more stable returns for investors over time.
Why is diversification important?
Diversification is important because it helps manage risk. If you invest in just one asset and it loses value, your entire investment could suffer. By having a mix, some investments may do well when others don't. This reduces the impact of negative events on your overall portfolio, providing a safer path to grow your wealth.
How does diversification work?
Diversification works by blending different types of investments. For example, stocks might provide growth while bonds offer stability. When markets fluctuate, these asset classes often react differently. By combining them, gains in one area can help offset losses in another, making your investment journey less unpredictable and more balanced.
Common ways to diversify a portfolio.
Typical ways to diversify include investing in various industries, countries, and asset types. You might mix shares from technology, healthcare, and energy companies, or include international investments. Adding bonds, cash, or real estate can further spread out risk, ensuring that your portfolio is not dependent on the success of a single sector or market.
Can you still lose money with diversification?
Diversification does not guarantee against losses. While it reduces risk, all investments carry some uncertainty, especially during market-wide downturns. However, a diversified portfolio is considered less risky than investing in a single asset, which is why financial experts often recommend this approach as part of a long-term investment strategy.